Craftsman Style, one level, maintenance-free living in Hardin Valley. You'll love the open concept, soaring ceilings, gas fireplace, and hardwood floors. There is a main level master suite west/child walk-in shower and a main level second bedroom and bath west/laundry room. Kitchen has granite counters, stainless steel appliances, tumbled stone backsplash and an island. Upstairs is a third oversized bedroom, third full bath, generous loft and 2 walk-in storage rooms. You'll spend all your time outside under a covered, private porch with electric and concrete pavers for hot tub. Ideal location with quick access to Pellissippi Pkwy that will take you to Farragut, downtown, or Oak Ridge in minutes. These homes sell quickly.